These are very old school Olympic weights. I'm trying to do some of my like artwork on the plates. These weights, I thought they looked familiar. These are just like the weights I missed out on a year ago. They're from the Talabudria Surf Club. They're Olympic and they're in pounds, so they're pre-1974. And the guy that works at Talabudria Surf Club, he was in contact with me all year. Like he offered these to me for $1 a kilo, but I was really sick and I couldn't get there on time. Somebody just bought them. It turns out it's the same people I just bought these off. But he's selling back to me for the same price. So I didn't miss out. I got them a year later. It comes with a free weight rack. They're $1 a kilo. Oh, actually they're less than $1 a kilo to count the rack, but I usually don't count these things. The most primitive use I've ever done. Box, rolling box, big fan thing that extracts this way into a wet towel that's sitting on a crate. Water. You hold the weight. Don't mix the power and water. Keep them separate. See? Separate. It's working well, but I don't have a filter. Now, every time I hear movements, I think I'm going to be in trouble. But no one's even home. It was home at 3 o'clock. Pick up with kids. If I hear noise, I think someone's mad at me. It's the way I was raised. No, I just don't like them. I'm not so impressed. I'm trying to do some of my like artwork on the plates, but every time I think someone's going to see it, I just botch it. I do such a bad job. But when I'm just drawing on something that doesn't make a difference and no one's ever going to see it, it's pretty good. So I know I can do it, but just nobody else knows that I can do it. And also I don't know I can do it around other people. I was thinking about like, what do you write on weight plates? Obviously it has to be motivational stuff. Team called Fearless Motivation. I used to listen to them when I'd work out back years ago. So I'm just putting their entire album, every song that I like, is just gone onto the plates. So they got one that was called Golden Mind, one's called Dig Deeper, Hard Work Beats Talent, Most People.
You are not most people.
Almost done with the dumbbells. They're gonna look like they're on fire.